Video 2 on circular motion is a little bit of maths just on the circle. So if we have a circle like so, and we drew in two radii, the angle between those radii is an angle, and if we were to join the arc length there, S, so that's where each of the radii touch the circle, so that the distance between those, the arc length S, there's a relationship between r, s, and theta. And it's theta is equal to s over r. You can ignore the triangles just mean the change in, but just ignore those for now. The angle in radians is equal to the arc length over the radius. Now, if I started at one position and went around the entire circumference of the circle, I would be going 360 degrees. Now that means my arc length would be the circumference of a circle. So if I fill that into the equation, I'd get 360 degrees, right? So I'd have the angle in radians then would be equal to 2 pi r divided by r. The r's would cancel, and I'd get the angle in radians would be equal to 2 pi. Now what that means is given in the bottom left hand corner. It means a rotation of 360 degrees in degrees gives me a rotation of 2 pi in radians. And that's a conversion factor to go between degrees and radians. So what I could do is I could say that 1 degree is equal to 2 pi over 360, or if you look at the bottom right hand corner, 1 degree is equal to pi radians over 180. So then if I wanted what 2 degrees was, I just multiplied pi over 180 by 2. If I wanted 10 degrees, I'd multiply pi over 180 by 10, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to give you a few questions and see can you sort this out yourself. And I'll put up the answers as well in the same video. So questions 1 to 4, activity 12.1. Pause the video. I'll keep going and I'll put up the solutions. So check them. If you have any questions, let me know. And that's the end of video 2.